for week 5 of the fiber gifts, and this time I'm excited to say we're actually highlighting a brand new yarn that we got this year. It's going to be 15% off, and we've also got a project with it too. So as we get to play with the new yarns, I'm excited about this one. So let me get right to it. So this yarn that's going to be on sale is going to be soft Donegal, okay? Now, it comes in about 22 colors. So we didn't highlight all the colors, but they're all on sale. Our kit, or not kit, our project that we're going to have actually highlights several of the color combinations. But soft Donegal is done on a rigid heddle. We used the 8 dent, 7.5 to 8 dent. Beautiful colors, okay? Very heathered, very speckled, 15% off. When I started weaving it, it didn't seem as soft, but boy, as soon as I washed it the first time with Yukon, it was beautiful. So let me show you the project. I'm really excited about these. We're calling this one Fox Hunt because it has a very earthy quality to it. So the scarf that I did is the design, the pattern, everything's going to be on that. It was done on a rigid heddle. I did do a houndstooth check. That's the reason why we're using more than one colorway. So we've got a little bit of both, and then these two are in the center, okay? So it actually is a beautiful scarf. We did a smaller fringe. We did not fringe it. It actually makes a really nice short scarf, but it's very earthy. So it's very much different patterns on this end as it is on this end. So I really hope you give this one a try. It works on talking about edges. We have a video on that, about carrying up the sides. We have a lot going on with this video on the blog. So please check it out and try these new yarns. They're great. Thanks.